Multi-tube technology is a patented technology developed by our European partner, George Pernot, whereby essentially it's used to join multiple components. Where any case where a customer would like to combine components, potentially they have them released as separate designs right now and they want to combine them, or they have a design of a part that requires it to be welded. Right now it's a two-piece molded part required to be welded. Multi-tube is designed to eliminate those secondary processes and combine it so that it comes out as a one-piece finished design right out of the mold. So you would effectively eliminate all the secondary handling of the part. And so that's in a nutshell what multi-tube is. It's a form of overmolding of injection molded parts to eliminate a secondary assembly operation, and then all the inherent testing and things that would go along with that. Project timeline-wise, obviously it varies from degree of difficulty of the project, but typically what we're trying to do is work with our customer advanced engineering teams up front to stake out the available real estate for a particular project. Because one of the things with multi-tube is that it is a significant investment on the capital side as far as tooling, but your benefit is in your piece price and your savings. So what we want to do is make sure that we can lock in or stake out the real estate required for this program that's going to use the multi-tube technology. And so we're going to try to work with the advanced engineering teams and then identifying some applications that would lend itself to it.
We've brought in several tools now that utilize rotating cores that have been able to eliminate a secondary operation, typically welding. Part of the real trick to it is a well-designed mold that's not going to cause problems down the road. One of the molds, for example, that we have is nearly 500,000 shots into its life, and we've had to do zero cavity work to it.
Traditionally, you would have parts that were produced with, let's say, a straight core pole, and maybe you would have, if you were trying to form an elbow shaped component, you would mold two separate pieces with straight core poles and then weld them together to form the elbow. Rotating core enables you to have one core pole, one mold, and create the same shape, thereby eliminating the two-piece welding operation. So there's obviously cost savings there. It's not an overmold like the multi-tube. It's more of just a technology that enables you to eliminate having to weld maybe two sections together to create an elbow feature.
Tools are expensive. A lot of companies try to use that as they cheap them out, and ultimately that costs you a lot in maintenance and overhead long term, where we invest up front with quality tooling, and then we ultimately have better product and then less maintenance costs over its life, and also less defects. So. Well, I think that we have a very well-developed advanced quality plan process that allows us to track the progress of a tool from kickoff through to production, which is great to be able to track all that data. You have lessons learned. Those become valuable for future jobs.
We've tried to take a holistic approach to integrating technology into our company. It's not only physical automation out in the molding plant with robotics and conveyors and controls, but also information technology, whether it's our ERP system that's self-developed, or whether it's the way that we deliver all of our documentation out to our molding machines electronically. That allows us very quickly to deliver lessons learned, changes. There's never any question about what is the latest document. The people out there that actually use it know that what they're pulling up is going to be what they should be using. We have thin client computers at all of our presses that are networked with touch screens available for the operators to interact with. So that's how we deliver work instructions, that's how we deliver quality checkpoints. It keeps track of how far we are into production, as well as allows them to actually record certain checks right into the system. We feel like we do a very good job of integrating technology in a way that services what our customer needs. Whether it's our ability to easily take in orders and quickly integrate them, look at their impact on scheduling, down to integrating 100% automated testing into our end-of-arm tools to make sure that we're protecting a customer against problems that would have been identified in advanced quality planning.